warmer gloves. It's freaking cold. It's like 50 degrees, mildly wet from sort of being rainy last night. Ooh. Anyway, I'm on my way to the True Vision photography 200K ride. It's been so many photography rides lately. My friend Matt, Shaky Stutters, he did one with Caleb Centra or something like that. Itsy Shoots at 50K one. True Vision's doing this one. I kind of want to do a wheelie, but yeah, I don't know. So I'm just gonna record my way there real quick. I'll probably record the ride there. I'm bringing an extra battery. You guys see me checking this watch. I'm using it for directions because I can, when I'm going fast, I can't really ever hear the lady talking to me for directions. So, but I don't want it to look, because I never used to have an Apple Watch, I don't want it to look like I'm trying to like flex it or something in the video. I actually got it for $90. That's a flex. Shout out to Mason's girlfriend who had a couple extra because her mom for some reason had extra. So I got it for 90 bucks. Pretty sick. I'm a little chilly, man. I tried to do some push-ups and jumping jacks and stuff while my bike was warming up, so I could try to warm up too. I'm still pretty cold. I'm wearing my MPT hoodie, and it is thicker, so it's a lot better than a normal hoodie. Because I've been wanting to stop wearing windbreakers when I ride fast, because the windbreaker hoodies, the hood will catch all the wind and just choke you. It just grabs all of the wind. And regular hoodies don't do that. They're fine. I can go as fast as I want with a regular hoodie and not get choked at all. But also, not only does the windbreaker choke me, but I got this like new super nice. I liked it a lot. It's $30 Windbreaker. It's a New Balance Windbreaker from Ross, and I blew out the seams on the left and right shoulder from going fast, I guess, or I don't even know if it's really from going that fast. I guess it probably is, but I guess the wind like climbs up through my arms, gets up to the shoulders, and it was just too thin, so it blew out. This kind of sucks. I liked that jacket. By the way, I use my walk on my phone as well. No time to talk. Man, I just turned my steering stabilizer on. Whoa, voice crack. I'm a little kid, but yeah, I just turned the steering stabilizer on and it feels so planted. Woo! What am I doing? Going straight? My bike right now, it's cutting out the power. Alarm! She said she liked how I wheelie. Ooh. I am cold. I'm just so fresh and so clean, clean. Oh, oh yeah. Poppy, poppy, poppy. Hey my friend, you gotta choose a lane. Oh! Bumpy, holy crap. Looks like I'm kinda early. I'm turning. Oh, never mind. Everybody's over there. Walmart. She says she like how I wheelie. Man, boy, all the bikes. You heard.